Hello everyone, it's me Mustafa and welcome to IELTS American Academy here in Satkhira. In fact, if you wanna be an international student at a reputed university like Harvard University, MIT, University of Cambridge, University of Toronto or British Columbia, IELTS 7 plus band score is the main requirement which will help you to get admission to that universities. On the other hand, if you want to go to a developed country like Canada, USA, UK, or Australia, IELTS 7 plus band score can change your life. Today, I have a big announcement that these world-class services and the academy are not permanent here in Satkhira. Rather, it's temporary. As I'll go to Canada to pursue my higher degree, my PhD degree, I'll be here in Satkhira for next 12 months. I mean 1 year. As a result of this, it's a golden opportunity for the people who live here in Satkhira. One thing we all people know that opportunity doesn't come to the people's life all the time. And we often say and regret that if I had taken the opportunity on time, I would have been rich or happy. But in reality, now you're not happy or um, rich. I mean, you are neither happy nor rich. Okay? So if you don't want to take the opportunity, maybe you will regret in the future. Okay, let me tell you some opportunities and the facilities provided by our academy. The resources provided by our academy will help you to easily achieve 7 plus band score if you get admission to the IELTS 7 plus guaranteed course. I mean that, and the language club held on every Friday must make you fluent within only 3 months. The academy still offers monthly payment system which is really very affordable. And I have another big news for you that some of my students are already prepared to sit for IELTS exam. Last but not least, you have to take into account that the aim and the purpose of the academy is to ensure only the world-class services, not the business. So if you want to change your life, the help's on the way. Be wise and take your decision right away. Thank you very much.